Pressure welding is used in almost any steel manufacturing industry. These welders are called pressure part welders. They weld parts to make boilers which produce steam under very high pressure. Pressure part welders weld parts for machinery that need to withstand extremely high pressures, hence their name. Safety is important at all times. Welding joins two pieces of metal by heating them to melting point and usually adding a filler metal to the join. An electrical current from the welding machine is the source of heat. A stick or wire travels through the pipe from the welding machine to the welding gun. The wire is usually used as a filler metal. There are two main methods, arc and flux welding. In arc welding, the metal is heated and melted by an electric arc and gas is usually used, which also travels through the pipe to the welding gun. Flux is a powder coating on the welding wire and can be done without gas. To withstand pressure, the join must be as strong as the two original pieces of metal, and that's why gas or flux is used, to protect the metals from the air. If chemicals like oxygen and nitrogen mix with the heated metal, the weld will have faults and won't bond. Pressure welders have to do code testing, passing an X-ray test which shows if they can do a sound weld, strong enough for high pressure. Their skills include following a drawing showing where and what to weld, measuring and setting the correct distance and angles, and marking up the metal. Pressure part welders here work on all parts of a boiler, from the boiler's shell to the extra parts like the chimney and piping. Most of the pipes, joints, valves and attachments on the finished boiler require pressure welding. A hydropressure or water pressure test puts their skills to the ultimate test. The boiler is filled with water and air is added to create pressure. If the pressure drops within an hour, it means there's a leak or a fault in the welding. Pressure welding is also tested by NDT or non-destructive testing. It measures sound waves. If there's a fault in the welding, it will affect the sound wave, showing there's a defect. Pressure welders need a grade 12 with maths and science and a national diploma or an apprenticeship. Welders can follow a career path, training further to become boiler makers. The job requires good hand-eye coordination and attention to detail. Boilers are used to generate electricity. Therefore, pressure welding skills can mean the difference between lights on or lights off.